A 5.7 magnitude earthquake shook Salt Lake City, Utah, early Wednesday morning, knocking out power to tens of thousands of households and businesses, shuttering the area's airport, and disrupting some government efforts to respond to the coronavirus pandemic. The quake struck about 4 miles northeast of Magna, Utah, which is 15 miles west of Salt Lake City, just after 7 a.m. local time. Nearly 3 dozen aftershocks followed, ranging from magnitude 2.5 to 3.9, the U Geological Survey reported. The state's Department of Emergency Management said aftershocks were likely to continue throughout the day, and officials urged people to shelter in place. The initial quake, the state's largest since 1992, was felt from Logan to Riverton, which are about 100 miles apart. The strongest shaking seems to have been felt around Salt Lake County. The power has been knocked out in some areas, the department said. Rocky Mountain Power said about 55 customers lost power, and that it was working to restore power as soon as possible. Governor Gary Herbert asked residents to stay away from downtown Salt Lake City to allow crews to assess the area. Unless you work in public safety, or are an essential employee, remain at home or telework, he said. Herbert added that the state health department's lab, the Utah Coronavirus Hotline and the Poison Control Center were not operational following the earthquake. The Salt Lake City School District, which serves more than 22,000 students, said Wednesday morning that due to the earthquake, it cannot provide meals, food boxes and computers it has been supplying to families while schools are shuttered due to the coronavirus outbreak. We hope to be able to resume these programs tomorrow, the district tweeted.